Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by powering and pairing the Hero Privacy Pen. Plug it in for 30 to 60 minutes until the LED blinks blue. Open the companion app, sign in, and enable Bluetooth. The pen appears as Hero Pen XXX. Enter a two-step PIN and set biometric unlock if you want faster access. Once paired, calibrate the touch sensor when prompted so the pen recognizes pressure and gestures. Make sure firmware updates install before proceeding. That prevents connection drops and unlock issues later. Next, configure the pen's privacy controls to match how you work. In the app, choose a lock timeout. 15 seconds is aggressive, 1 minute balances convenience. Enable Secure Erase to wipe recent notes and turn on Write Protect to prevent unauthorized exports. Map gestures like double tap to lock, long press to record, and swipe to toggle privacy mode. Once set, test each gesture and confirm the LED or haptic feedback responds. This reduces accidental exposure and ensures quick access. Finally, use the pen normally while privacy mode protects sensitive strokes. After sessions, sync notes manually or set automatic Wi-Fi upload and verify 100% completion. Export only encrypted files, back them up to your chosen cloud or a local drive. For secure sharing, generate one-time access codes inside the app. If the pen becomes unresponsive, restart it, repair with your device, and check for a firmware update. If problems continue, perform a secure factory reset, but only after backing up encrypted data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.